Alright, I'm going to open up this Sony Alpha 7 IV. Let's see. See what's in here. What is this? This little bag here. Ourselves a charging cord. Bunch of booklets we'll definitely be reading. Ooh, here we go. This right here, the good stuff. Okay. See here. We have the lens. Ooh, it is looking nice. Ooh, that is a huge lens. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Okay, just put it there like that. Here we go. Moment of truth. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Is there batteries? Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, that feels awesome. I cannot wait to start using this. Okay, got that. Got the strap. Let's put the trash over here. Let's see. We got one battery here. What else do we have? What is this? Oh, okay. So we have the wall part to the charger. So let me just there, just like that. There we go. Okay, so that is everything that you get along with the Sony A7 IV, and man, this feels really good in the hand, nice and bulky. And they did make a change to the side sections where it's not like wiggling around. So, oh, I cannot wait to get started.